Mackenzie Sigalos is at the Consensus Crypto Conference in Austin, Texas, with more. Hi, Mackenzie.
Hey, now there's, of course, been a surge in demand for AI compute and infrastructure, and a growing number of Bitcoin miners are retrofitting their massive facilities to help meet that need. Now, publicly traded firms like Core Scientific, Hut 8, Bit Digital, and Hive have all launched AI operations. They're looking to beef up their revenue streams after the halving back in April cut rewards paid out to Bitcoin miners by 50%. Now, Core, which emerged from bankruptcy in January, tells CNBC that it's been diversifying beyond Bitcoin for about 5 years now.
Yeah, the best way to think about Bitcoin mining facilities is that we are essentially powered shells to the data center industry. And so the retrofit back to HPC is actually much easier than one would think. And so there are components that we have to purchase to retrofit for HPC, but it's things that we can easily acquire.
Pivoting from Bitcoin mining to AI isn't as simple as repurposing existing infrastructure. It means swapping out ASICs, so the processors purpose-built for crypto mining, and replacing them with GPUs. Digital asset fund manager CoinShares said in a report that even though AI operations demand up to 20 times the capital expenditure compared to Bitcoin mining, they're currently more capital efficient and profitable. Companies like Hive and Hut 8 are seeing a positive impact on their revenue structures. Currently, Bit Digital derives 27% of its revenue from AI. Hut 8 at 6% and Hive at 4%, guys.
There's certainly been a lot of talk about the power demand that number one, AI does, but number two, that Bitcoin mining brings. Are the two sort of compounding that problem? In other words, when they get together, AI and Bitcoin, you have kind of a multiplier effect on the power grid demand and the problems it could cause.
Yeah, it's a great question. And energy demand is still something that these miners are perfecting. I will say a lot of them are looking at using clean energy simply because it's the cheapest in many markets. An industry report estimates that the Bitcoin network is actually 55% powered by sustainable electricity. Miners also say another benefit of their business is that they can power down if demand is high. The Core CEO says that they're actually already working with the grid to figure out how certain AI applications can periodically be shut off to cut energy use. Meanwhile, new data out today, and to your point, Tyler, finds that data centers could use up to 9% of the U.S.'s power by 2030. That's more than double what it is today. So tapping into nuclear energy is seen by many as the answer to meeting that demand. Bitcoin miner TeraWulf runs on nuclear, and they're another big mining name jumping into powering machine learning.
All right, Mackenzie, thanks very much. Mackenzie Sigalos in Austin for us today.